Now we will move to the next topic, that is the linear differential equation. Okay, so linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Differential equation. What is the linear differential equation? We already defined. A differential equation is said to be linear if dependent variable y and its derivative occurs only in the first degree. We already defined, yes or no? Very first lecture. In the very first lecture, we already defined this. So a differential equation, we just define, recall this again. A differential equation is said to be linear. Said to be linear if the dependent variable dependent variables y and its derivative occur only in the first degree. Only in the first degree. Means what? If any differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the dependent variable y and its derivative occurs only in the first degree. There is no higher derivative. Okay, so that type of derivative is known as what? That type of differential equation is known as linear differential equation. Okay, there are two types of linear differential equation. So first we write type 1. Type 1. A differential equation is of the form differential equation of the form dy by dx plus px
equal to q.
pxy equal to q of x, okay, is called a linear differential equation. Is called a linear differential equation. Called a linear differential equation of the first order. Of the first order, where p and q are the function of x alone. P and q are the functions of x alone, or you can say constant, or constants. Okay, and here y is called dependent variable and x is independent variable. So y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Okay, the general solution of this kind of differential equation is given as the general solution of this this differential equation is given by, so your general solution is y into e raised to integration of p of x dx, and this equal to integration of q of x e raised to integration of p of x dx into dx and plus c. So this is the general solution of this type of differential equation. Okay. Now type number 2. Type number 2 also we write. So a differential equation of the form, a differential equation of the form dx upon dy plus pyx and equal to qy is called a linear differential equation, linear differential of the first order where p and q are functions of y, where p and q are functions of y alone or only, or you can say constant. Okay, and x is here x is dependent variable. X is the dependent variable, and y is independent variable. Okay, see the difference here. Y is dependent variable and x is independent, and here x is dependent and y is independent, because your differential equation is different. Okay, the solution will be different, also different. Therefore the general solution is given by what is the general solution? So your general solution is x e raised to integration of py dy, and this equal to big integration qy into integration of qy into e raised to integration of py dy and dy plus c. Okay, so this is the general solution of the differential equation of the form this dx upon dy plus pyx equal to qy. Okay, where p and q are both are functions of both are functions of y or constant. Okay, now let us see one problem based on this, then you will understand this concept easy. Okay, so let us move to the next page. So write down the problem. Example number 1. Solve the differential equation your problem is x into x minus 1 dy by dx minus x minus 2 y, and this equal to what? X cube 2x minus 1. Okay, this is the given differential equation, and we will have to solve this differential equation. Okay, so for that we will make in standard form. We will make the given differential equation in standard form. So before that, we write here solution. Okay, in solution, what I have to do? We first copy the given question. So we write here given differential equation. What is the given to you? X minus 1, x into x minus 1 dy by dx minus x minus 2 y equal to ax cube into 2x minus 1. This is the given differential equation. Okay, but it is not in a standard form. So for that, what I have to do? We divide x into x minus 1 on both sides. So let us divide. So this become dy by dx minus x minus 2. I am dividing. So x minus 1 y, and this equal to what? X cube 2x minus 1, and divide by x minus 1. Okay, I am dividing on both sides. So this is in standard form. Okay, which is in standard form. Now comparing this with the standard form of the differential equation. So now comparing this, with standard form. That is what? With standard form. What is standard form? Dy by dx plus px y equal to what? Qx. Okay, we get px. What is the px? We get px equal to
x
what?
minus 2.
Yes, x minus 2 divided by
Upon
x
minus
1. Okay, and qx is what? Your qx is x cube into 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, just simplify this. So for this, I'm directly writing here. So this become 2 by x minus 1 upon x minus 1. How is this so? By using partial fraction. By using partial fraction. Okay, I'm writing this by using partial fraction, and q write as it is. So this equal to what? X cube and x cube. So x cancel, this become x square into 2x minus 1 and divide by what? X minus 1. Okay, now what? Now to find the general solution. So before that, we have to find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? You know what is the integrating factor? Your exponential form is integrating factor. So integrating factor, your integrating factor is e raised to integration of p of x and dx. Your integrating factor is this, and this equal to, just integrate this, e raised to minus integration of this expression, that is what, 2 by x minus 1 upon x minus 1 and x minus 1 dx. Just simplify this. So this become e raised to minus 2, I am taking outside, minus 2 I am taking outside. So this become what? Integration of 1 upon x is log x, and minus integration of 1 upon x minus 1 is what? Log of that, log of x minus 1. Okay, just simplify the exponential function. So I am writing here. So this become, this equal to minus log of x square and minus log of x minus 1. Just simplify this. So e raised to minus, this can be written as, this is log a minus log b, can be written as log of a by b. Okay, so log of a by b, a is what? Ax square, by b is this much, x minus 1. Okay, now this can be written as like this. If you are taking exponential power, e raised to log of x square by x minus 1 to the minus 1, power minus 1. So this become what? Reverse. So this become e raised to log of x minus 1 by x square. Okay, now this can be written as simply x minus 1 upon x square. This is your integrating factor. Okay, now see here how to find a partial fraction. Consider x minus 2 divided by x, then x minus 1. Okay, this one. So this expression can be written as what? Like this, a divided by x and plus b divided by this factor, x minus 1. Okay, now cross multiply. If you cross multiplying, you will get x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, and this equal to what? X minus 1 a plus x b. Okay, and divide by x minus 1. So denominator cancel with denominator. Okay, only term is what? X minus 2. So we write here x minus 2 equal to x minus 1 a and plus x b. Okay, now we have to find out the value of a and b. If I put here x equal to 0, then you can determine the value of a. So I am putting here x equal to 0. So for put x equal to 0. So this implies that यहाँ पे 0 minus 2, ये पे x 0 हो जाएगा. So this equal to what? Minus of a. Okay, और यहाँ पे 0 करेंगे तो whole thing will be 0. हाँ, यहाँ से a की वैल्यू कितना मिलेगा आपको? Therefore a equal to what? 2. A is 2. और put x equal to 1. Now put x equal to 1. So this implies that 1 put किया यहाँ पे कितना मिलेगा? minus 1. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and this equal to what? This will 0 and plus 1 b. So b equal to what? So b equal to minus 1. B equal to minus 1. Now substitute the value of a and b here. So you will get 2 by x, this one, and minus of 1 by x minus 1. Now getting, ये बहुत बेसिक स्टेप था, इसके लिए मैंने इसको आपको नहीं बताया. ठीक है, तो आपको इस तरह से करना है. उसके बाद इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आ गया, तो अभी क्या निकालेंगे, जनरल सोल्यूशन. नाउ द जनरल सोल्यूशन इज गिवन बाय, therefore the general solution is given by, so what are the general solution? First write down the formula, y e raised to integration of p of x dx, and this equal to big integration q of x e raised to integration of p of x dx and dx plus c. Okay, so here y is as it is, the value of this we have found. What is that? This one,
x minus 1 upon x square.
X minus 1 divided by x square, and this equal to integration as it is q of x. What is the q of x? Q of x is this. Q of x is this one. That is what? X square and 2x minus 1 divided by what? X minus 1. Okay, this is the q of x into this factor e raised to integration of p of x dx. We found, what is that? This one, x minus 1 divided by x square and dx as it is, and plus c. Now simplify this. This x square cancel with this x square. Okay, और आपका this factor cancel with this factor. Only remaining term is what? This one, 2x minus 1. Okay, let us move to the next page. So this become what? Therefore y into x minus 1 divided by x square, and this equal to integration of what? 2x minus 1 dx plus c. Now just simplify this. So this is what? 2 integrating x square, that is what? Integration of x is what? X square by 2, and minus integration of dx, that is x, and plus c. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 will cancel, so this become what? X square minus x square minus x square minus x. Okay, and plus c. Now I am taking here common, which, what is the common here? X is common, so this become what? X minus 1 and plus c. Now I am dividing by this factor on both sides. So what is remaining here? So y equal to, I am dividing कर रहा हूँ this factor, so this become what? X cube. This become x cube plus x square c upon x minus 1, which is the required general solution of the given differential equation. You understood this? नहीं समझा आपको? मैं आपको फिर से समझाता हूँ.
समझा सर?
समझा? ठीक है, इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो क्या मिलेगा? x माइनस 1. ठीक है, डिवाइड कर रहा हो तो ये नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा, ऊपर वाला नीचे आएगा, तो x स्क्वायर बाय x माइनस 1. तो इसमें हुआ, अभी इसमें भी होएगा, और c x स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 1. ओके, और a इससे चला जाएगा, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? दिस इज व्हाट? y इक्वल टू x एंड x स्क्वायर, दिस इज x क्यूब एंड प्लस c x स्क्वायर अपॉन x minus 1. Okay, so which is required general solution of given differential equation? Which is required general solution of given differential equation? Okay, now in this way you can find the solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understood this.